Hello, dear friends. I'm Elham Hossain. I welcome you to my session. And today I will discuss three crucial terms related to translation. Number one, logic. Number two, rhetoric. And number three, silence. I have borrowed these three terms from Gayatri Chakraborty's Spivak. So, what is logic? Spivak refers to visible systematic framework of language of a text, and she also uh, defines logic in terms of grammatical and syntactic aspects of a text. And logic also refers to the dictionary meanings of a text. And all these things, if a translator tries to understand first while he begins the process of translation, then it will take him or her to the superficial meanings of the text. And it will also help him or her understand the rational connections between sentences, between words, between terms and terminologies. And next, rhetoric. Spivak refers to the disruptive, untamable sub-individual force fields of language. And rhetoric also encompasses idioms, wordplay, metaphors, and rhetorical aspects, emotional textures also, and cultural resonances, which remain incorporated in very subtle texture into the text. And rhetoric will help the translator understand the other things or the context, which is very subtly incorporated or connected with the text. So, rhetoric will take the translator to a network which involves not only the text but also the other things, for example, culture, then idioms, proverbs, etc., of our language system. And then, last of all, silence. So, silence does not mean the total absence of meaning, it is rather an absolute boundary of what language can articulate. And it is the dark matter of textuality, the unnameable space that exists around or beneath or between words. So, one is dictionary meaning that we find in logic, and the other is the meaning that we do not find in the dictionary, but it is always implied. So, a translator should have the capacity to understand this meaning, which is lying between two words or two sentences or two expressions. It is not voiced, it is not pronounced, but it is there. So while a translator approaches a text for translation, he should have the capacity to understand the dictionary meanings and at the same time the meanings which are not echoed there. So, translation is not an easy job, it's a crucial job, and it requires a lot of dedication, sincerity, and care. Because while you are translating a text, you are bringing one culture in association with the other culture, and you are making dialogues between these two cultures. So, translation means uh, making dialogues or interactions between cultures, and and trying to discover the polyphonic meanings of the source text and sharing all these meanings with the target readers. So, this is all about my today's session. Thank you very much.